Welcome to the SNIS Mobile Studio. We are here at the launch workshop of a SNIS-funded project on global plastic. I am now with Carolyn Birkbeck, who is the co-coordinatrix of the project. So, Carolyn, what are your main insights for today's launch workshop?
Great. Well, first, thank you for having me here. The main insight today was that we have hit on an area that is really ready for further research, and particularly for collaborative research. Our focus for today was on what we would need to do to transform the global plastics economy in order to address plastic pollution. And the real focus of our project is looking at the production and the consumption side of the plastics economy as a complement to existing work on the waste end of plastic. And in that regard, we were thrilled that the group we had really validated that this was a key area for future research. It was an area where there's a lot of missing data and information, so we can collaboratively work to build that. And we had a lot of discussion around the key three core themes of our project, one of which is trying to map the political economy and the market structure of the plastics economy. The second is to look at what kind of policy frameworks would help promote sustainable transformation in that sector. And the third is then what kind of international cooperation do we need in order to facilitate that kind of policy reform and change, and hopefully in the end to help address plastic pollution.
Okay, thanks for your points. And the second question would be, what are you looking forward for the upcoming 2 years leading this project?
Great. Well, the first thing I'm really looking forward to is collaboration. We had today a great group of people from some of the most cutting-edge advocacy groups and policy groups, but also international organizations, a diversity of them from UN Environment, WTO and UNCTAD. And then a selection of great researchers from Swiss universities and universities from abroad. So it's really a collaborative effort with many different disciplines. And I think we all realize today that we have much to learn, and working together will make this project so much more effective. If we can bring scientists, political scientists, lawyers, economists all together, will produce a much better outcome. So that's the first thing I'm looking forward to. And I'm looking forward to making progress on the research. Today we looked at 9 different research topics that we're going to produce papers on, which is already more than we committed to at the outset, but there's a lot of enthusiasm, and also to trying to turn them into policy relevant outputs. So we're going to try and make sure we generate some data sets that are useful to people working beyond our project, and also some sort of policy implications for those who are actually working on negotiating and trying to make policy change happen in this area.
Okay, Carolyn, thank you very much for visiting us and your interesting explanation, and see you soon. Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you.